gentlemen, welcome. Good evening to all of you. RadioCentroamerica.com. We are live. DJ Labuga, Music and Talk, straight from Long Beach. Thank you for tuning in. We are here in my house along with one of the legendary musicians from Belize, from Dangriga. Mimé Martinez, a Garifuna legend, a legend of his own, was trained under the old heavy hitters Cayetano, Mojaba Flores, Faltas Norberto, Jeep, Peter Lewis, Higgins Eugenio, and many, many more. They were the revolutionary Turtle Shell Band, the innovators, the band that coined Punta Rock, as it incorporated the electric guitar, keyboards, the Garifuna drums, and of course the sweet sounds of turtle shells. Mimé was already recording music with another Punta Rockers, Forever Band, and moving audiences to songs such as Give Me a Cocoya, Nursery Rhymes, Galasu, Triangle, Trapolin, etc. Many, many more songs. Mimé Martinez is explosive on stage as he discharges an abundance of energy with his tantalizing moves of hips and arms, seducing his audience. He is celebrating his birthday though. This Friday, not this Friday, but Friday the 23rd of May, starting at 9 p.m. with the release of his brand new album, which includes 11 songs, not 10, 11 new songs. And he will be backed up by Los Angeles' most popular Garifuna group, the world-famous 501 Band, starring Sonny D on the bass, Chris Arana on the keyboards, Roy the drummer on lead and backup vocals, Skull Flores on the rhythm keyboards, and Mimé Martinez producer, Mr. Glenn Q on the grounds. So, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga is live right now. So, New York, welcome. Los Angeles, welcome. Chicago, welcome. Miami, Belize, Honduras, Guatemala, wherever you are listening to RadioCentroamerica.com. This is DJ Labuga, and we want to welcome our guest this evening, Mr. Mimé Martinez. Ida Binya Nomada.
Well, what they get, man? Yeah.
Go ahead, man.
What they
the
get?
Mic is yours.
Yeah. What they get, no mule. Well, what they get, Dangriga? And I am America going Los Angeles, and radio going yeah, again, well, I mean, no, none soon, Remole, Dangrigo, Balisi, Labuga, Indura, Wadimalo, Ilunu soon. No, no.
Sungirigya out there. Sungirigya. Thank you, Mimé, man. You're one of my heroes, man. I love your music from day one when I listened to the early recordings of Turtle Shell Band, Forever Band, man. I got hooked on your music because you have a particular style, a very unique style. We were just listening to the first song as we opened the show. This is, what's the name of this song we were listening to? Let me play it again. Okay. Yeah, man, we want to make sure the audience knows what we're playing. What we're going to do is we're going to play another song. We're going to start requesting that the audience who want to talk to Mimé give us a call at 323-898-6841, or they could also hit us on Facebook. We have our Facebook page, Ronnie Figueroa on Facebook, and you could also send your messages or let us know, give us a like, make sure that you are looking at the pictures we just posted on Facebook with Mimé in the studio right here with DJ Labuga. So I want to thank the staff at RadioCentroamerica.com out there in Normandy on Wilshire, right where the Guatemalan consulate is. Thank you for allowing us to be here live every Wednesday. This show comes up every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. So we want to send also a big shout out to Lali Nunez out there in Las Vegas, Nevada. He's promoting shows. Another show coming up soon. And then my sister-in-law, Beulah Francisco, is also listening in Las Vegas, Nevada, where Mimé has performed many, many a times. Right, Mimé?
Yeah, man. All right. Belizean, Dangrigan, I work hard in a music, and I want to stay like that. And I want to deliver it the real way. Because this album, well, of release,
Yeah, Wabina. Okay, so we're gonna play another one of the old songs from way back in the days from Forever Band, and then we're gonna come back and play music from the brand new album. The brand new album is called Facebook, and the album will be released in about 2 weeks. 2.5 weeks actually. It's called Facebook, and it's got 11 new songs and some remixes, and we're going to talk about it in a minute. So we're going to let the music introduce you. Well, many people already know who you are, man. They already appreciate your music and your talent and the contribution that you have made to Garifuna culture and to the people themselves. So let's welcome again another old tune, but it's got the juice and the energy to make you want to dance. Kemotia wabinaha wafeduha luma DJ Labuga hama DJ Labuga and Mimé Martinez live in the studio. Mama Introduce to you music from the brand new album. Of course, it's a beautiful album called Facebook, and it's got 11 songs. This is the song you were listening in the background, and this is called Don't Even Matter Behind Mom's Suffering, right? Migabone Buguchu Asufuriha. Yes, Mimé Martinez. Let us know a little bit about this music, man. This brand new album that you just finished working on from Umalali Studios. Tell us a little bit more about it.
You see, the one thing, like, the earlier I sleep, the more talent I pick up. That's how I know, that's how I know catch for myself. So right now, the amount of music where I have in my head right now, when I have to release, I want to release one album every year. But maybe talk about this Facebook here. Because this Facebook here, the things, the way I study in a life and I see what is going on in a life, so I just sing it. And I bring it so that people can understand what's going on. I not say Facebook bad, because we have to deal with it, because we have to stretch out, and then if faster technology, more faster. But Facebook is enough to make we pose off and show off our body parts and show off. Facebook is one part of education, but sometimes we're overdoing it. So this is what the song they try. This is why they put in the song now, make we listen to, make we slow down a little bit.
So play it.
Play it, Labuga. Hit it.
Okay, Kemotia, Wabina, Wafeduha. We're live, ladies and gentlemen, with Mimé Martinez in the studio from Long Beach, California, with DJ Labuga, Music and Talk, Garifuna Music and Talk. Let's go.
Damele nigi unibo, vaya ume yo munasa. Damele nigi unibo, vaya ume yo munasa. Vaya uko, vaya uko, vaya uko. Damele nigi unibo, vaya ume yo munasa. Damele nigi unibo. Yo munasa, vaya
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. Okay, so Mimé, we're back, man. That was a beautiful song. I want to send a big shout out to Julie Lisette Flo, who is listening out in the valley. Thank you for tuning in every Wednesday. Her and her mommy, Dora Valenzuela, are always tuning in to our show, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. So, Mimé, so what's the next song on the album, man? That I know that this is one of your favorite songs, and it's one of the songs that you perform originally with Forever Band, with Sounds Incorporated, even with Pen Cayetano, right?
Yeah.
And this one is Mama Nigunda Bao.
One of the favorite song that my grandmama loved when she was living.
Kemotia, wabina ha, wafeso ka, DJ Labuga. Mimé Martinez here in the studio. We're having a good time. We're listening to the brand new album he's about to release next Friday. Actually, in two and a half weeks, Friday the 23rd of May at 9 p.m. Los Angeles is going to be listening to the brand new tracks, 11 brand new tracks from the brand new album called Facebook. So let's listen to track number 2. This is Mama Nigunda Bao Woody by Mr. Mimé Martinez. Yes, Mr. Mimé Martinez. What a beautiful song, man. You have some fans on Facebook listening on www.radiocentroamerica.com. I want you to send a big shout out to these people, man.
A big shout to Herbert Lopez. Well, I see you live.
Yeah, man. The man is from Siambite. He's from Siambite.
Siambite. Well, the best sinner.
He's listening in Miami. That's cousin Herb Lopez listening. Julie Lizette Flo. Also, Julieta Arrieta is listening in Los Angeles. As well as Maura Martinez Castro. Kemotia. Nurka Garifuna. That's what they call her. Kemotia Wabinaha Wafeduha. Mr. Mami Martinez, we have a big audience listening, man, including Jacobo Ortiz, Gustavo the Seventh, Betty Juarez, and many, many more people who are live listening in Los Angeles. Of course, we have listeners in New York. We have Mr. Don Julian. Don Julian is listening from Brava Sound Radio. Marcia Martinez is also listening from Cienbite, but she lives out here in she lives in by the Mississippi River. What is that place, Marcia? Hit me back, Marcia. She was born here. Her parents are from Cienbite.
Oh,
and they're my wife's people.
So Ilogolo.
So thank you for listening. Miami, I want you to introduce the next song, man. We're gonna play another one from the brand new album, and now it's going to be a little sexy song, a song that will wake up everybody from their bed right now. I'm from their couch watching TV. This is called Panty Line. Is a remix.
A remix. I want you to sit down and listen to this remix, Panty Line.
Panty line,
es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ La Buga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escúchenos. This is radiocentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Incorporated, through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont at 81st at the Community Center. Luba Furende GAHFU. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all, every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring your drums and bring the family, and we'll have a good time. Learn Garifuna classes are interactive, and you will learn through singing and drumming. Come and learn about the Garifuna culture and history taught by Garifuna scholars from the diaspora. This is an invitation by GAHFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation.
My God! My God!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. This is radiocentroamerica.com with Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. We have the legendary Mimé Martinez. Mimé, are you having a good time here in the studio, man?
Yeah, man. Me too, man. Have a nice time. I just love this kind of a thing.
Yes, and tomorrow I understand you're going to be live doing an interview with a radio station in Dangriga. Tell us about that.
Well, I try get it together so my people could hear my voice and make them know exactly what I'm doing, you know, because right here in the United States, you got to work.
That's right. If you want to eat, you got to work.
Yeah.
I want to send a big shout out to Michael Cordero and his wife, Miss Indira Castillo, who are listening in Los Angeles. Mimé Martinez is a Garifuna legend of his own, man. He was trained under this old school heavy hitters such as Pen Cayetano, Mojaba Flores, Faltas Norberto, Jeep Peter Lewis, and Higgins Eugenio. Send a big shout out to Higgins also, who is in the studio right now rehearsing with the band, I guess, Punta Cartel. And Mimé, man, is releasing a brand new album. He's celebrating his birthday May 23rd, Friday. May 23rd is starting at 9 p.m. here in Los Angeles at 8938 South Vermont. Cooley Hall is the place to be on Friday the 23rd of May, and it's going to be about $15-20 admission. It's not a lot of money, $15 plus. You get to sample the brand new album. You get to buy it for only what, $10?
$10.
It's going to be available for $10, and it's going to be great food and drinks for everybody. And so if you come, make sure you come and have a good time, because that's what it's all about. Mimé.
Yeah, and not forget the songs that you hear in here tonight. I'm going to perform most of them off the new album, 23rd of May. Come and see the new dance that I have to send to my people. Okay, La Buga, take it away.
My God!
Yeah, man.
My God!
I know Fiber One Band is going to be backing you up, and Fiber One Band is one of the hottest bands here in the West Coast. Sonny D on the bass, Chris Arana on the keyboards, Roy the drummer on backup vocals and a lead vocal as well, Skull Flores on the rhythm keyboard, Mimé producer Glenn Q is going to be there on the ground on the drums, and of course you're going to have, tell us who the DJs are going to be and who's going to be the special guest.
Well, we have DJ Cool and
Selecta B,
and we have Juicy, Gooey,
boy, my favorite band too, man.
Donkey Man, you know.
That's gonna be nice. So now we're gonna introduce another song from the brand new album. This is called Ring Tin Tin, right? Tell us about the
Ring
song.
Ting Ting. You see, Ring Ting Ting, that was sung from way back, you know, from when I was a little boy playing pan.
My God! My God!
That's why I start, you know. I start from when I young. I start from when I was 7 years old. I got a band in primary school that was named Metrical Boys.
Metrical Boys, boy. It must have been what in their teen years or what?
Yeah.
12, 13, 14?
Though 8 years old, 9. I was playing music already.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we're gonna take a listen, and we're gonna listen to this brand new track from Mimé Martinez's brand new album called Facebook, and this is Ring Tin Tin. Demos, ya.
Sanibana!
Everybody here is sing. My girlfriend promised to give me something.
What she
And the
promised
bell gon' ring and the birds gon' sing. Cause she promised to give me some ring ting ting. Ring ting ting. Everybody here is sing. My girlfriend promised to give me something. And the bell gon' ring and the birds gon' sing. Cause she promised to give me some ring ting ting. Ring ting ting. Everybody here is sing. My girlfriend promised to give me something. And the bells gon' ring and the birds gon' sing. Cause she promised to give me some ring ting ting. She promised some of that 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 ring ting ting. 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 Some of that. Ring ting ting, everybody here is ting. My girlfriend promised to give me something.
What she promised
And the
ya?
bells gon' ring and the birds gon' sing. Cause she promised to give me some ring ting ting. Moonaba, 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 moonaba. Sanibana, 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 sanibana. Sit down for it, sit down for it. Wine for it, wine for it. Do it. Promise going some of that ring ting ting. Promise spend some of that ring ting ting. Promise for about some of that ring ting ting. Promise taking some of that. Promise going some of that ring ting ting. Promise spend some of that ring ting ting. Promise for about some of that ring ting ting. Promise taking some of that ring ting ting. No, Papa. Promise going some of that ring ting ting. Promise spend some of that ring ting ting. Promise for about some of that ring ting ting. Promise taking some of that ring ting ting. Simmy, no. After Simmy, no gimme. After Simmy, no gimme. Number 6 pack. Yeah, in the fridge.
All right. This is one of the new songs there. Big Belly Man. You know, once upon a time we used to walk with no shirt. Now we don't have no 6-pack. All the 6-pack there in the fridge.
This is the brand new song also from the album. This is cut number 4. It's called Big Belly Man. This is Mimé Martinez live in the studio. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Kemotia, Wabinaha, Wafeduha. Big up to all of our people listening. Euclides Paz, que está escuchando también aquí en Los Ángeles. Gracias, mi hermano. Él es del Salvador. Nos escucha en vivo y a todo color aquí en Los Ángeles también.
As you see me, you give it. As you see me, you give it. Give it. Number 6 packet. Yeah, French. Once upon a time, we used to have 6 pack. Nowadays, when we were younger, we walked with no shirt. When we were younger, we walked with no shirt. To show off the muscles that we used to have. To show off the big hand that we used to have. To show off the big legs that we used to have. To show off the big chest that we used to have. To show off the 6-pack that we used to have. Nowadays, we don't have no back. Nowadays, we don't have no back. Nowadays, we don't have 6-pack. Nowadays, we don't have 6-pack. When we were younger, we walked with no shirt. When we were younger, we walked with no shirt. To show off the muscles that we used to have. To show off the big hand that we used to have. To show off the big leg that we used to have. To show off the big chest that we used to have. To show off the 6-pack that we used to have. Nowadays, we don't have no back. Take it. Number 6-pack. Lord, stop getting out. Where is 6-pack there? Once upon a time, we used to have 6-pack. Nowadays, look big animal. Ladies, tell me if the light.
That's a lie.
Ladies, tell me if the light.
That's a lie.
Look around now, big belly man. Look around now, big belly man. Magahan, all around we now. Magahan, all around we now. Magahan, all around we now. Sanctity, all around we now. Sanctity, all around we now. Ladies, tell me if the light.
That's a lie.
Ladies, tell me if the light.
That's a lie, baby.
Ladies, tell me if the light.
That's a lie.
Look around me now, big belly man. 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 Ladies, tell me if the light. Ladies, tell me if the light. Look around me now, big belly man. In the swimming pool, big belly man. In the restaurant, big belly man. In the bed, big belly man. Ladies, tell me if the light. Nowadays days, no 6-pack man. Nowadays days, no 6-pack man.
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. Okay, Miami, we're live. We're back in the studio. We're back live with the microphone on, of course. Right here from Long Beach, California. This is RadioCentroamerica.com, where we have our show, Garifuna Music and Talk, every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. Today, a special guest straight from Grigadan, Dan Griga, old school, Mimé Martinez. Tell us about this next track, Mimé.
Well, this track I call it corrupted government because my people are suffering back home in Belize. We have oil and we still suffer. Then they sell out with passport and we know, but Mimé have it in a song to deliver to my people. Open your eyes. Are you satisfied in the life you live in? Hit me.
Are you satisfied with life you live in? Are you satisfied with life you live in?
So the real thing, I know life is so hard, and the truth, a lot of people can't take the truth. This is where I know, this is Mimé, born and growing in Belize. I come from the south part of Belize called Danbriga. For ever since I grew up, we have a corrupted government.
Are you satisfied with life you live in?
PUP at the first beginning start from George Price. Then you got U-Bat with Philip Coulson. Then you got Evan next side. PUP again. Then the Rajas. PUP again. Said Musa. NIP. Dean Barrow. Here is the South Passport.
Are you satisfied with life you live in?
United Democratic Party account today. Still Dean Barrow. Finnegan. Delete. I want to tell the people the truth. Because I tell the people they don't lie. Want to privatize everything in Belize. Got my people to suffer. Mothers and fathers crying because their son just get gunned down in the street every time. And their guns, where their guns they come from? Who own their guns? I know poor people don't own their guns. Poor people don't own no ship, especially plane. They talk about we the Belizean people. Politics got to mess up. We divide. Now we have to unite and come together and fight the politicians now because we want the rights. We got a corrupted police force.
Are you satisfied with life?
We got a corrupted PDF account to them. Police defense force killing each other. Police they cut down each other. Police they steal. Soldiers they thief. We find oil in a Belize. And we still the suffer. Only the rich get richer, and only the poor get poor. Look on the south side I believe. Only forget for it. Only politician. They call it Sangriga. We're in a power right now. Under the same thing they happen. UDP and PUP are the same thing. I want to stop. What the dirtiness one to do? Collect money from foreign and it's still not show for my people. Get medicine from foreign and it's still not show for my people. The school, what kind of thing this? Bring politics to school. How the kids want learn. I want the government, I believe it's tighten up, you know. We don't have to tighten up because open your eyes, my people.
Are you satisfied with life in the world?
Open your eyes, my people.
Are you satisfied with life in the world?
UDP, PUP, that's the same thing. Every 4 years, mothers crying, fathers crying. Her son just get gunned down in the street. By who? Nobody know. But everybody say. Time now we come together and unite and fight the politics.
you hear this plane load, they drop when they find out what? All kind of drugs. What kind of thing this, man? They corrupt my country. My country never used to stand like that when I'm younger. We play, run around, ride bicycle, swim. No gun. As the government change, every time the government change, more guns come out of the country. People killing each other. I don't hear one man went bringing the guns, they go to jail yet.
Are you sacrificing your life to the faith?
A lot of people don't like the truth, you know. But me wants to tell it. And I know. PUP, UDP, got the same thing. Trick me, people. Think you want to trick me, people?
Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Incorporated, through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont at 81st at the Community Center. Luba Furende GAHFU. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all, every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring your drums and bring the family, and we'll have a good time. Learn Garifuna classes are interactive, and you will learn through singing and drumming. Come and learn about the Garifuna culture and history taught by Garifuna scholars from the diaspora. This is an invitation by GAHFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United.
That was a heavy song, man. Corrupted government, man. That song is hitting on everything that's really going on in Belize, man. Tell us a little bit about that, man.
You know, I'm tired of seeing my people, they suffer. And I'm tired of suffering. From the time I young, my granny chop machete, open farm, bake cassava bread, and we grow hard. And now we find oil, and we still grow hard. Mennonites, they sell out with passport. What kind of thing this, man? I want to make the people they know that I know that things will have to change. All the way want to suck the sweet too. Don't know all the way like suck salt. Come on, Mimé, deliver the truth to the people, and that's what I'm going to do.
Man, that's a deep message, man. That is deep, deep, deep. I never heard a song in a hugu style. The first time I hear a Garifuna performer with a message like that. So let's see. Let's gonna take a call right now. Go ahead, man. From Texas, may I ask who's calling?
Yeah.
A la orden, papá. ¿Querés salir en vivo?
Holla.
Okay, hold on. We got a listener from Houston, Texas, on the line. That's Mr. Reyes. Hey, Numada, Idabina.
Who are the get, man? Who are the get?
Okay. Maganda sa family.
Aye, anahaya. Aremo haya luha gambo ni sungui ga kala mege be ya ubogo.
Okay. Mari pa tayo noche nalo nagapo ni ya ye Cristo ye por siya na gibar.
Siya sang bagod aguda.
Siya na
Wafa gwa
ya.
Raguba, wafa gwa ya.
Okay.
Aye, namule.
Sure. Okay, so sabi
Un saludo para ti, hermano Reyes, escuchándonos en Houston. There's a big Garifuna community in Houston, especially from Livingston, La Buga. So I want to send a big shout out to you. You are from La Buga. You know a lot of La Buganas out there. And thank you for listening to our radio show. I mean, we're weekly here every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. our time. And hopefully you're able to catch us every Wednesday from now on. Así que saludos, mi hermano. ¿Cómo la estás pasando?
Okay. Ok, man, que siga para adelante.
Sí, bien,
All right.
All right, bro.
Felicidades.
Gracias, hermano.
Okay, bye.
Saludos para todos ahí.
Okay.
Continuamos con la música. We are live and direct. This is RadioCentroamerica.com with Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Now in the studio, Mr. Mimé Martinez, the legendary from Turtle Shell Band, from Forever Band, from
Sounds Incorporated.
Otiagua Binaha. Hey, we got the next song, Mr. Mimé Martinez. Can you introduce the next song?
Libi Meduna.
Aye.
Aye. Bogade Hamaduna ya Dangiga. Our sin they spoil the water. They want to do it long time.
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. Okay, Mami, we're back, man. This is RadioCentroamerica.com with DJ Labuga today, this evening, with a wonderful guest, Mr. Mimé Martinez, who is currently living in Los Angeles, originally from Grigadan, of course. Next song, man, this is the name, the self-titled name of the album, right?
Yeah.
Facebook.
I want you to listen to this song keenly and the words, how I put it together.
My God! My God!
up the house. She don't even got time to clean up the kids. She don't even got time to cook the food. She don't even got time to mop up the house. Check her Facebook. 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 Check her Facebook.
You too busy, busy. Everybody busy, busy. You too busy, busy. Everybody busy, busy. In the house, them doing it. Everybody doing it. In the room, them doing it. Everybody doing it. Right by the park, them doing it. Everybody doing it. In the car, them doing it. Everybody doing it. In the bank, them doing it. Everybody doing it. Right by the beach, them doing it. Everybody doing it. Chatting on Facebook, 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 chatting on Facebook.
Every time I go to your house, you get on our Facebook. You forget about your picnic, forget about your husband, forget about your own life, forget about everything. Everything for you now. Facebook. Can you lost your mind? Check out Facebook. Can you catch up yourself?
If you were paying more attention to me and the kids instead of being out there with your friends, you wouldn't have to worry about me being on Facebook. Maybe I'm job hunting on Facebook, but you wouldn't notice you're not here. So mind your business, Mimé. Husband, life,
Can you catch up your life?
everything depends on Facebook.
You and your kids all over the world. You show off yourself, show off your body parts. And Facebook, I don't know why Facebook. You love Facebook. You can't let it go. Facebook. All day all night. Facebook. You can't sleep. Check on Facebook. Check on Facebook. You love Facebook. I don't know where I go to you. Check on Facebook. Catch up your life. Facebook. Check on Facebook. You begin to run all around. Dirty. Facebook. Your neighbors that they talk about your business. You don't even know. Facebook. And I know you hear them. Facebook. Check on Facebook. You love Facebook. Come on for this Facebook. Show off your body parts. Facebook. 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 Facebook.
Facebook.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. This is DJ La Buga, Garifuna Music and Talk every Wednesday, right here on RadioCentroamerica.com. Facebook, man, what a song. I love it, man. I love the lyrics of this song. Tell us, I hear Super G there, I hear other performers who are featured in this song. Tell us who was there.
On this album, that's why I tell you, this album. Our album we will never forget. When Mimé gone, Mimé name gon' still be here. Now, let me talk about this thing here now. Featuring Super G on Facebook. Go away on Facebook. Q Glenn Garcia on Facebook. Then Juicy. That Juicy under the hair, the same legal whether on the flyer, Juicy, that she under the hair right now. So, not stay home, just like how the hair this time they play. Right, so we are doing 23rd of May, my birthday release party. Wanna come out. And now a new dance, the kangaroo dance. I want to come see it.
Wow, Mimé, that sounds like a big party, man. Well, I just uploaded the flyer on Facebook, on my Facebook page for Ronnie Figueroa. You can get all the details. M&M Production, Friday, May 23rd. 9 p.m. until Mimé Martinez birthday party. CD release as well. $15 to get in at the Cooley Hall on 8938 South Vermont Avenue, Los Angeles. Sounds by Waff Sound. Gooey Posse as well. Live and direct. Donkey Man. Juicy is going to be in the house as well. 501 Band, of course, backing up everybody that night. And it's going to be hot. Don't forget, for more information, you could call 323-217-0882. Again, 323-217-0882. The flyer is right on my Facebook page, Ronnie Figueroa Facebook, or you could also call 323-407-5867. Again, 323-407-5867. Security tight and strictly enforced that night. So don't forget, Mimé's birthday party and CD release, Friday, May 23rd in Los Angeles. If you're not in LA, you better catch a plane ride and come home, because LA is your home and is waiting for you.
Yeah, and I want to forget Glenn Q. And I don't want you to think I forget you, you know, because you are very important in this thing.
Business.
I don't forget you because you are the backbone. And just remember, ladies and gentlemen, that me and Q will do this Facebook. All right, Umarali Studio.
I just want to send a big shout out to Del Ogales listening in Chicago. She's our faithful listener in Chicago. Also, Martin Bermudez from labuga.com listening in New York. He loves the show. He says, congratulations, you guys are doing good. Also, Edwin Francis Colon from New York. Roberto Joshua Navarro is listening. Julieta Arrieta, Dora de Valenzuela, listening in the valley. Of course, my wife Mama Garifuna listening here in the hall, in the living room. Reyes Núñez and the La Bugana crew out there in Houston, Texas. Thank you for listening. Gracias, mis hermanos, por estar escuchando la estación Radio Centroamérica en vivo y a todo color, porque estamos esta noche de fiesta. We are having a good time and a good party, and that's why we have our next song called Fedu, and it's the remix of the original Fedu song.
Hold on, La Buga. Ain't gonna something, man. La Buga na! Mablina na mutno tiya, because dana anihela dangwiga sagu semana sanda aba nidi La Buga, aremu ha La Buga. Ayi aba niremu. Babiulu Malabuga, Alahaina Rabi, Alahaina Hiabi, Chichi Chabu Wabune, Mama Lubi, Bariuma,
special call from New York. We have our very good friend Martin Bermudez. He is the guy behind labuga.com radio. Mr. Martin Bermudez, Ida Viña Nomada, you're going to be talking to Mimé right now.
Ay,
What?
well, anatayan namule awakala nga kamale uguro and kamale guyara.
So, Mimé,
Yeah,
we miss you in New York, man. New York.
Uh-huh. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. I got my number.
Oh, so Mimé,
Yeah.
we miss you in New York, so when you come in New York in November?
November, you go hook it up. I'm coming.
Rebuga,
Yeah, hook it up. I'm coming.
make sure you buy my ticket too.
All right, happy.
Around
Okay, I just want to let everybody know that we have Mr. Garifuna in New York, and the host for Mr. Garifuna is DJ Labuga. So I hope that you come. Q will be in New York, and a lot of people will be coming this way for Mr. Garifuna. So the crowd is coming to New York.
Yeah, man. And I got the new thing for bring to New York right now. Yeah.
All right. All right, so I'll see you guys in New York, all right?
Yeah, man.
Take care.
All right then, brethren. Yeah.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Mimé, man, you're a lucky man, man. You got people listening in New York live, and of course we have a lot of listeners in New York, Chicago, in Seattle, Washington as well. There's a lot of Garifuna people living out there. So we want to send a big shout out to Sharon S.K. Williams from Punta Gorda in Toledo District, Belize. She is in Northern California listening. She's also a immigration lawyer, a Garifuna immigration lawyer, Nomada. Yes. So big shout out to Sharon. Of course, Julie Lisette Flo and her mom. Miss Dora Valenzuela listening in the Valley, Edwin Francis Colon again, and many, many more people listening out there. Lydia Flores, Marciana Flores, all La Bugana people from Los Angeles, and listening here live, www.radiocentroamerica.com. So I want you to embrace your audience, man, and talk to them for a minute. Give them some happiness, man.
Yeah, man. Well, Aule Dan Guigana. My Nugusho Cyril Martinez. Well, Anahaya Hong Sung Grigia. Nishigal Sung Nubafo Hong Sung Grigia Haya Oborog. Leo Bunguyo Ao Lisho Bunguyo Ya Hama Lu Nishino Masahi Le Hong Long Suninaro.
Yes, sir. All right. That's Mr. Mimé Martinez, the legendary. I want to send also a big shout out to Chassis Gill. They are from Puerto Barrios, of course, born here in Los Angeles, who are currently living in Riverside County. Big shout out to them listening live right now. Juan Carlos Vasquez from San Antonio, Suchitepec is listening. Of course, thank you. This is DJ Labuga live and direct. And we're going to play the last song of the album, Facebook. And this is called Mimé Jam. So let's take a listen to this brand new song. And thank you for listening. All this show is every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30. But if we go a little bit late, don't matter. We're here to introduce the brand new album and to make sure that people go to the birthday celebration that's coming up on Friday, May 23rd. Of course, it is Mimé's birthday, and it's going to be happening on 8938 South Vermont Avenue. It is the Cooley Hall, located on the corner of Manchester and Vermont, a little south of Manchester. Friday, May 23rd, with 501 Band Live backing them up, along with GAHFU Sounds, and of course, DJ Selecta.
Easy B,
yes,
DJ Cool.
That's right, and Gui Pasi as well, and Donkey Man. So thank you again for listening.
We're not Mimé.
Yes, Juicy as well. Thank you. Yeah. Carlos Lopez also commented. He says a big shout out to
to Carlos López. Estoy escuchando. Un saludo para Carlos López, que nos dice que está escuchando en vivo. Gracias, Carlitos. Thank you for listening, Carlos López. We are live and direct, labuga.com radio with Mimé, live and direct from Long Beach, California.
And don't forget Super G and Gumi and everybody who is on this album. Alright, this Mimé Jam is a mix again with me, Super G, Gumi, and all the rest.
This is Mimé Jam. This is Mimé Jam. This is Mimé Jam. This is the general being respected big man, Mimé. When you see her in the club, she did wind it up to the Mimé Jam. When you see her in the club, she did wind it up to the Mimé Jam. When you see her in the club, she did back it up to the Mimé Jam. When you see her in the club, she did yubula 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 bag, yubula 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 bag, yubula 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 bag. Dagadai, zedai, chirege mana, edagadai, zedai, zedai, chirege mana. La cintura, la cintura, la cintura, la cintura, la cadera, la cadera, la cadera, la cadera, la cintura, la cintura, la cintura, la cintura, la cadera, la cadera, la cadera, la cadera. Hey, wine for it, 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 play for it, play for it, dance for it, dance for it, hop 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 for it, jump for it, rock for it, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water, let the matter fire burn, burn, matter fire, burn. Boom, 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 boom. I can't take it up, die, take it up, die, take it up, die, die. Put up, put up, put up, put up, put up, put up, put up. Rock, 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 rock. Put up, put up, put up, put up, put up, put up, put up. Rock, 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 rock. Put up, put up, put up, put up, put up, put up, put up. Rock, 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 rock. Hickey back. This is Mimé Jam. Aye, this is Mimé Jam. This is Mimé Jam. Yes, aye. Aha. Hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back. Push it, pull it, push it, pull it, push it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Stop it, chulap it, stop it, chulap it, stop it, chulap it. Wine for me, baby, wine, wine for me, baby, wine for me, baby, wine. She did yubula 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 bag, yubula 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 bag, yubula 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 bag. Zedai, chirege mana, zedai, zedai, chirege mana. La cintura, la cintura. I'm the flip, you give it. I'm the flip, you give it. Hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back, hickey back.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're live and direct. DJ Labuga. This is Mimé Martinez in the studio, along with DJ Labuga. I want to send a big shout out to Miss Sharon S.K. Williams. She said, took me a while to figure it out, but now I am on enjoying the radio show. Do you accept requests, DJ Labuga? If you do, please give me a shout out to Nugushu Delva Zúñiga in New York City, Anuhatida Lamiselu, Tarigita, prima hermana, Sofia Zúñiga Castillo. She passed away on Monday. May her soul rest in peace. But if you do play requests, please play Abba Haremuha Umala Litu Nugushu. Sereme Numada. Give my greetings to your beautiful wife, Cheryl. That is Miss Sharon S.K. Williams, listening in Northern California. This is DJ Labuga Live. Thank you, Sharon. That's very touching. That's a nice message. But I got Mimé who wants to send a big shout out to you, too.
Yeah. Well, tumadanigi buma. Itanania waso ya obo lisho bongio waba. But most here wama ya obo.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to play one of the songs from the previous album. This one is called Calypso Medley by King Caro, Mimé Martinez. Live and direct. Introduce this song, man. It's a nice parranda medley.
Mama no gunda bao.
Calypso Medley by Mimé Martinez. Studio with Mimé Martinez, ladies and gentlemen. This is
Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga live every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. right on radiocentroamerica.com. I want to send a big shout out as well to my very good friend Martin Bermudez, who already hired Mimé officially here in the studio to go and perform in the month of November. So Mimé, you get your ticket in Weibuga, yeah?
Weibuga here. Weibuga ego apple to.
That's right. Yes, we're having a good time tonight.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening. To all of you listening in Chicago, Ms. Dale Ogaldes, in Garifuna Flavor Restaurant in Chicago, of course, Mr. Rodel Castillo, a big shout out to him. Our beautiful friends and brothers out there in Houston, Texas, from Labuga, Mr. Castillo, Mr. Reyes, and everybody out there listening. Thank you for listening live every Wednesday, 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Sharon, we found your song. We're going to play it for you, so hold on, girl, and thank you for listening. Mimé introduced this song, man, by Chela Torres. Of course, this is a song from the Garifuna Collective, from the women's group.
Yeah.
It's called Afaya Hadina. Kemotia. We're live and direct every Wednesday, don't forget.
Special request.
Apa me wawa, leone badina, boy wawa bien. Apa ya hadina Dubai, ali bukanyo. Yugo ya badina tabuni ya mati. Mege na logurani yo. Yugo ya badina tabuni ya mati. Mege na lugani ya, zoboyogo ya badina taboni ya matike. Mege na lugani yo, baduboyogo ya badina. Zoboyogo ya badina taboni ya matike. Mege na lugani yo, alu baduboyogo ya badina. Zoboyogo ya badina taboni ya matike. Mege na lugani yo, ni hago na laga tera. Aligiri bago, ni hago na laga tera. Aligiri baba, siamo na laga, aligiri bago, olubani habu na laga, siamo na laga, aligiri bago. Hadina Dubai, apa ya Hadina Dubai, apa ya Hadina Dubai, ali bukanyo, lupa apa ya Hadina, apa ya Hadina Dubai, ali bukanyo, lupa apa ya Hadina, apa ya Hadina Dubai, ali bukanyo. Tuku yugo ya badina taboni ya matike. Mege na logurani yo, tuku yugo ya badina taboni ya matike. Mege na logurani ya, tuku yugo ya badina taboni ya matike. Mege na logurani yo, aluka tuku yugo ya badina. Tuku yugo ya badina taboni ya matike. Mege na logurani yo, ni hago na laga tera. Aligiri ni bago, ni hago na laga tera. Aligiri baba, siamo na laga, aligiri baba, olo bani hago na laga, siamo na laga, aligiri baba, bani hago na laga, siamo na laga, aligiri baba, bani hago na laga, siamo na laga, aligiri baba, bani hago na laga. Diago na laga, aligiri ni bako, bania kuna laga. Diago na laga, aligiri ni bako.
Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Incorporated, through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont at 81st at the Community Center. Luba Furende GAHFU. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring your drums and bring the family, and we'll have a good time. Learn Garifuna classes are interactive, and you will learn through singing and drumming. Come and learn about the Garifuna culture and history taught by Garifuna scholars from the diaspora. This is an invitation by GAHFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation. This is Radio Centroamérica with DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. Listen to my program every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. on www.radiocentroamerica.com, or you could download TuneIn to listen live every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Okay, Mimé, we're back. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming almost at the end of the show. This happens every Wednesday. And don't forget, next Wednesday we have another very special guest. It's going to be Tucumán, directly from Honduras. He is the former lead singer for Casabe Agrupación. He is now playing for Punta Cartel. So Tucumán will be in the studio next week. Straight from New York, he's the Yado Man, the man with a beautiful album called Yado. So, Mimé.
Yeah, man.
So we're going to play a little bit of the old school Punta Rock mix, man. We have some old songs that I wanted to mix. Always love to mix these songs. These are the songs that you used to play with
Songs Incorporated.
With whatever band, and Sounds Incorporated. So we're going to do a little mix for you, and then we're going to come back and play corrupted government for last, so that people could really get the message. This is DJ Labuga Live and Direct with Mimé Martinez in the studio from Long Beach, California.
Yeah, man. Los Angeles, we here.
Ayah
Well, you know what? We're back. We're live. This is DJ La Buga. We try to mix a little bit, but we got so many songs from Mimé, man. But Mimé, so let's say goodbye to the audience, man. I know you're tired. You gotta go home. We're gonna come back and play a couple of more tunes for the audience right before you go. But just give us your insights about Radio Centroamerica, man, and the work that we're doing here in the studio.
Well, this is something good and something great. I'm encouraging all the Belizean artists and all the Honduran artists and all the Guatemalan artists and Central America in a whole. Come to La Buga radio station and do some broadcasts so that we could expand. No afraid. Call La Buga and then he going to do what he got to do just like what I do. Don't be afraid. We have to get this thing out there. Because that's for we.
That's right.
Garifuna, lo we have the aba, lo we have the yahon, le grabo, la buga, lo, wherever, sunkate, hungry, lo hagamo, kalemegebe. Garina go, leader dangwe, lo we have leader aba, lo le have igundani, ibaga retita anigi, lo get beat away, lo kisebe lo bungio, laulia. Negro.
Thank you for coming, man. It's really an honor to have you here in the studio with DJ La Buga and Radio Centroamerica audience. We have a lot of people listening from New York all the way to Houston, Seattle, Washington. We got Herb Lopez listening out there in Miami. So, Mimé, man, it's a pleasure. You're a legend of your own. And, we mentioned so much about you coming from the old school, the heavy hitters such as Pencayetano, Mohabab, Faltas Norberto, G. Peter, Lewis, and Higgins Eugenio. But you have your own style. You are the one that puts your own music out there. You come from old school hitters, heavy hitters like Mohabab Flores, man, who is one of my favorite singers. But you have your own. You catch the audience. Every time you perform live, man, you make sure that people come out of the dance tired, and if they pay $20, $30, $40 to come and see you, man, they got their money's worth.
Yeah. Look at me, man. That's that's where I love you, because whenever I jump on a stage with one mind, make my people satisfied. Not make me satisfied, because I already satisfied, because I already make the song. So that now for make my people satisfied and dance and feel good. So that when you all go home, you all sit, sleep, and think about Mimé, but no worry, next year, I don't have 5 songs for the next album already.
What?
I already have 5 songs for the next album after this Facebook. So, I'm not asleep. I stay awake.
Yeah, you work hard, man. So, M&M Productions presents Mimé Martinez, Friday, May 23rd, 2014, from 9 p.m. until Mimé Martinez birthday party, and of course the CD release party will be Friday, May the 23rd at Cooley Hall, 8938 South Vermont Avenue in Los Angeles. $15 to get in, plus $10 for a CD. That's if you want to get a CD, but you know what? I really recommend that you get a copy of your CD. The CD is hot. It's got 11 tracks. They're all good. Make sure that you come out of this party with the CD in hands. So it's going to be not only Mimé, but also Donkey Man, Gooey Posse, and Juicy will be in the house, all backed up by Fiber One Band, one of the hottest bands in Los Angeles. So world famous Fiber One Band is starring Sonny D on the bass, Chris Arana on the keyboards, Roy the drummer on the lead and backup vocals, Scott Flores on the rhythm keyboards, and of course Mimé producer Mr. Glenn Q on the ground. Music by DJ GAHFU Sounds, and of course Selecta B.
Easy B and DJ Cool.
That's right. So security is strictly enforced. This is going to be again Friday, May 23rd. Make sure you buy your tickets in advance, or you come and buy them at the door. It's going to be 2 Fridays from this Friday. It's going to be the 23rd of May again, 8938 South Vermont, right here in Los Angeles, to
and
enjoy the music.
No left grandma home, because grandma very important for this town. No left grandma home. No ain't left grandpa home, no ain't left ma home. Kids, find one babysitter for the kids, but it can't be grandma, it can't be grandpa, because they have to come on this dance. This is Mimé. So, don't forget granny and grandpa or auntie home. Everybody wanna come. No afraid.
That's right.
High
Okay,
security.
Mami.
We got good security. We got everything good.
Yeah, we'll make sure that all the ladies have a good time and that there is no disrespect from no one there. Security is going to be tight, and there's going to be, of course, good performances, man. That's the best of it.
Yeah.
Good performances, and make sure that you do bring a date, or you bring a friend. If you don't have a date, bring a friend so that you could enjoy yourself. So we're going to play again from the brand new album, Facebook. It's called Corrupted Government by Mimé Martinez.
Yeah, I want to catch it because this is what happened to we in our country. And Miami, they have to sit and Miami will wake up everybody. Open my eyes, my people. Are you satisfied in the life you're living? Alright.
Are you satisfied with life you're living? Are you satisfied with life you're living? So the real thing, I know life is so hard. And the truth, a lot of people can't take the truth. This is where I know. This is Miami, born and growing up in Belize. I come from the south part of Belize called Tangriga. For ever since I corrupt, we have a corrupted government. Are you satisfied with life you live in? PUP at the first beginning. Start from George Price. Then you got U-Bat with Philip Coulson. Then you got Eva next side. PUP again. Then the Rajas. PUP again. Said Musa. NIP. Dean Barrow. Here is the South Passport. Are you satisfied with life? The Democratic Party I can't today. Still Dean Barrow. Finnegan. The Eve. I want to tell the people the truth. Because I tell the people they don't lie. Want to privatize everything in the Belize. Got my people to suffer. Mothers and fathers crying because their son just get gunned down in the street every time. And their guns, when their guns they come from? Who own their guns? I know poor people don't own their guns. Poor people don't own no ship, especially planes. They talk about we the Belizean people. Politics got to mess up with divide. Now we have to unite and come together and fight the politicians now because we want the rights. We got a corrupted police force. Are you satisfied with life? We got a corrupted PDF account to them. Police defense force killing each other. Police they cut down each other. Police they steal. Soldiers they thief. We find idle in a Belize. And we still suffer. Only the rich get richer, and only the poor get poor. Look at the south side of Belize. Only forget about it. Only politician. They call it Tangriga. We're in a power right now. Under the same thing that happen. UDP and PUP are the same thing. I want to stop. What the dirtiness want to do? Collect money from foreign and it's still not show for my people. Get medicine from foreign and it's still not show for my people. The school, what kind of thing is? Bring politics to school. How the kids want to learn. I want the government, I believe it's tighten up, you know. We don't have to tighten up because open your eyes, my people. Are you satisfied with life? Open your eyes, my people. Are you satisfied with life? UDP, PUP, that's the same thing. Every 4 years, mothers crying, fathers crying. Our son just get cut down in the street. By who? Nobody know, but everybody say. Time now we come together and unite and fight the politics. You hear this plane load, they drop. They drop when they find out what? All kind of drugs. What kind of thing this, man? They corrupt my country. My country never used to stand like that when I'm younger. We play, run around, ride bicycle, swim. No gun. As the government change, every time the government change, more guns come to the country. People killing each other. I don't hear one man when bringing the guns they go to jail yet. A lot of people like the truth, you know. But my me was tell it, and I know. PUP, UDP got the same thing. Trick me, people. You know what trick me, people.
Thank you again, man, for being here this evening in Long Beach, straight on radiocentroamerica.com. We are live, and I want to send a big shout out to our friend Del Valdez.
Del Valdez, yeah. Chicago.
Yeah, Chicago is tuning in. She said, nice show, Ronnie. Big up Mimé for the new CD. Sounds great. So he will be soon in Chicago to debut his brand new album, and make sure that, hey, Del, you could put it together, you know. You're a producer, you're a promoter, so you could put the show together right there at Garifuna Flavor Restaurant in Chicago. Why not?
Yeah. And I'm coming.
Yeah, you're coming to perform, I mean.
Yeah, you know,
thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for being here, man.
You know, we've been from a long time here in La Buga. The first time I come to California to do a performance, that's the first job I get is from La Buga.
Yes,
I remember that job.
Yes, man.
That was me and Titi Man.
Yes, man, I remember, man. What a show, non-stop. So I want to thank the audience. Thank you for all your greetings on Facebook. Thank you for all the people who text me. And thank you for all the people who call, you know, from Houston, from New York, and Facebooking right now, chatting with Ms. Deolo Galdes, who says, I heard you. I heard for the greetings that you sent out there. Thank you, Del. So we're going to let you go with this song called Miami Hot.
Yeah, Miami Hot.
All right, here we go. Kemotea, Wabina ha, Hama, DJ La Buga, and Mimé Martinez in the
Miami
studio
hot.
tonight.
Miami hot, hot, hot. Miami hot. Miami hot, hot, hot. Miami hot. Miami hot, hot, hot. Miami hot. Miami hot, hot, hot. Early. One morning. I got to fly from Chicago straight to Miami. I got to fly from Chicago straight to Miami. And when I reach Miami, Miami was hot.
RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa.
Every year, this year time. Every year, around this year time, people come together on the lakeshore drive. People come together on the lakeshore drive. Some swimming, some diving, some playing chess, some playing volleyball, some playing football, some playing basketball. Summertime here, summertime here, summertime here, summertime here, summertime here, summertime here in Chicago. Summertime here. At the park, children playing, their parents barbecuing, the white people riding the bicycle around the park, around the beach. Some got on cha-cha-cha to cool off their feet. Some got on strippers to cool off their feet. Some got on suntan. Well, you know. And them boy I eat, and the party light. And them boy I eat,
work on Monday, and they work on Tuesday, and they work on Wednesday, and they work on Thursday, and they work on Friday. Hey. By the short on Monday, work on here the word. Change. 5 to 5. Blood, sweat and tears. Labor. Who pay no? The children go to school. No shoes. The children go to church. With no shoes. The children play together. With all clothes. The children run down together. With no clothes. So Mr. Minister, when you negotiate, think about the children of tomorrow. So Mr. Minister, when you go negotiate, think about the children of tomorrow. Hard time, catch a bill, hand to most labor. Hard time, catch a bill, hand to most 5 to 5. Hard time, catch a bill, hand to most blood, sweat and tears. Hard time, catch a bill, hand to most. How hard must a man have to work? How hard must a man have to work? How hard must a man have to
live and direct, radiocentroamerica.com, every Wednesday, 8:30 p.m.
This is Radio Centroamerica with DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. Listen to my program every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. on www.radiocentroamerica.com, or you could download TuneIn to listen live every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ Labuga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escúchenos.